Assalamu alaikum. This is Ghulam Abbas from MH Language Solutions. The topic we are going to have under discussion is Introduction to IELTS Listening. IELTS listening exam is the first exam that you will take during IELTS test. Total duration for this exam is 40 minutes. 30 minutes they are for the actual listening and 10 minutes to transfer your answers on a separate answer sheet. In this part of the test, you will be given a question paper. You will be given a headphone as well. The recording, it will be played on a headphone. You need to listen to the recording and answer the questions on your question paper. It consists of 4 parts: Section 1, Section 2, Section 3 and Section 4. Keep in mind that complexity of the test, it varies from Section 1 to Section 4. Section 1 is the easiest section and Section 4 is the most challenging part. In each section, you are given time in the beginning to look at the first set of questions. The first set of questions, it may consist of 4 questions, 5 questions or 6 questions. You will have few seconds, approximately 20 seconds, to predict the answer of the questions which have been given in the first set. Then recording will be played. In the middle, when you have completed the first set of the questions, you will be given time again to look at the questions which are coming next. It means that in each listening section, you will be given time in the beginning and in the middle to look at the questions that you have to solve. In the end of each section, you will also be given time to look at the answers that you have written. However, last part of your listening exam is an exception, because in Section 4 you will be given time only once in the beginning and you have to look at all the 10 questions at the same time. Moreover, the first 2 sections of your IELTS listening, they'll be about social context, and the remaining 2 sections, they will deal with academic contents. Social content means maybe a real estate agent is giving information to a customer, or a representative of a car company is dealing with his customer. This is what we call social content. In the last 2 parts, academic contents, they will be like a seminar where a lecture is being delivered on a particular topic, or it can be about an orientation session in a university or in a college. So these kind of topics, they are called as academic contents or academic topics. They will be the discussion of your 3rd and 4th part. Moreover, keep in mind that in the 2nd and 4th section, only one person will be speaking. Whereas in part 1, 2 people, they will be having conversation, and in part 3, you will hear up to 4 persons talking. In the end of this test, you will be given 10 extra minutes to transfer your answers on a separate answer sheet. Make sure that all the answers that you transfer on the answer sheet, they have correct spellings. Even a single mistake in a spelling will make your answer an incorrect answer. There is another thing that you should keep in your mind, that if you are taking computer delivered test, then you will not be given 10 extra minutes to transfer your answers, because you are already transferring your answers to the computer. However, you will be given only 2 minutes to review your answers. That is all for introduction of IELTS listening. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.